දැන් අපි දන්නව සමීකරණ තියෙනවනේ. We call it quadratic equations. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal 0. We can solve this equation, no? Quadratic equation. වර්ග සමීකරණයක්. වර්ග සමීකරණයක් විසඳන්න. දැන් one example we can get x squared minus 5x plus 6 කියලා ගත්තොත් how do you solve that one? X squared minus 5x plus 6 minus grade 3 or 4 හරි වගේ තියෙන්නේ මේවනේ. There are several ways. We can use මෙහෙම ලියත හැකිනේ. Solution එක හරියට එනවා නම් x මේ දෙකේ minus ගණනක් තියෙන මැද අපි ගමු 2 3 එනවා නේද? එතන value එක එන්නේ roots එන්නේ x equal 2 and x equal 3. Then we have to write a small Pascal code to solve this equation. අපිට දෙන්න තියෙන values තමයි a b c. a වල value එකයි b වල value එකයි c වල. දැන් now in this case a equal 1 b equal minus 5 c equal 6. මේක විසඳන්න පුළුවන්. මෙහෙම. How do we write a code? අපිට ඔහොම brackets දාලා හිත ලියන්න බෑනේ නේ. code එකක් ලියනකොට. Should have some method, no? If the formula is ax squared plus bx plus c equal 0, අර ax වර්ගය දැන bx and c සමානයි බිඳුව නම් අපි දන්නවා අපි ගන්නවා ඩෙල්ටා කියලා එකක් නේ. මැත්ස් වල කරනවනේ ඩෙල්ටා කියලා එකක් අරගෙන. ඩෙල්ටා කියලා කියන්නේ b squared minus 4ac නේ. ඩෙල්ටා කියන්නේ b squared minus 4ac කියන එක. right? එතකොට depend on this b squared minus 4ac. If it's a negative number, we don't have real solutions. Complex numbers in we have complex numbers if it's a negative number. Otherwise, we have real solutions, right? Should be b delta should be a positive number. Okay. Now the solution is, I think this is a very familiar thing. Minus b plus o minus square root of delta divided by 2a, 2 times a. That's the solution, no? Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Right? Minus b, it passes plus within a solution. We have another solution with the minus sign. Right? We can write a small formula. Make it. අපිට පොඩි formula එකක් pass කරලා we can write it very easily, right? One thing is, first we have to check whether delta is positive or negative. If it's a negative one, we don't have real answers. Then it has a complex numbers, right? Okay, I will change this into different way. I just put code, right? Now what are the numbers? Here we need a, b, c. Should say for easiness we get it integers, and d is some kind of delta, right? It's a square root one. It's a real number. What we can do is, I am not going to put some states from there, just reading a, b and c. Directly reading a, b and c, value of a, b and c, right? Then initially we have to check, say D becomes D කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? delta කියන එකනේ. Delta කියන්නේ square of B, or we can put B into B minus 4 times A into C. This is the value of delta. B squared minus 4AC. B වර්ගය ඍණ 4AC. ඊට පස්සේ if D is less than 0, then we can write the message. You can just put the message there. Quadratic has complex, අපි දන්න සංකීර්ණ සංඛ්‍යා කියන්නේ නේද? ඒ වගේ complex roots. Otherwise, else we can do the other calculations. Begin, we can get the square root. We can assign the same variable, right? SQRT of T. Rather than putting two variables, I can use the same one. No? Now the new D value is the square root of D. Then we can calculate answers. No, there are two answers. Right, and then we can say X equal, that's a root solution, right? Then we can put minus B plus D divided by 2 into A. That's one solution, right? We can put the same thing, minus B minus. First we read the A, B and C. A, B, C to them equal to करना. First we calculate the delta B squared minus 4AC. Then if D is negative, it's a complex root. Otherwise, minus B plus, මෙතන D කියලා මම ගත්තා මම square root එක. Let's try 1 minus 5 6. I don't know 3 and 2 කියලා change කරමු මේ format එකනේ. අපි දශම ස්ථාන නැතිව ගමු. එතන එකක වැරදි නේද? Right, x equal 2 and x equal 2. You can try that with the different answers. එක එක sets වලට දාලා බලන්න මේකනේ. අපිට පුළුවන් solution එක ගන්න, right? B වර්ගය ඍණ 4AC කියන එක if it a negative value, it will give the complex root. මේ වගේ අපිට පුළුවන් we can apply our Pascal coding to solve day-to-day questions. The method I use the conditional statement D less than 0. If then else කියන එක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ.